Hi there, Bridget Mackay here with the law offices of Bridget Mackay in Petaluma, California. We practice exclusively in estate planning and elder law. Today, our video blog is about Medi-Cal and seeing if you qualify. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples of two couples that are looking to qualify for Medi-Cal. Long-term Medi-Cal program that would pay for a stay or the majority of a stay in a skilled nursing facility should one of them find themselves there over the long term. So we're looking at two couples. The first is Ralph and Ruth. And just a quick quiz here, as you'll see in the slide. Does this couple qualify for Medi-Cal will be the question. For Ralph and Ruth, their assets total about $700,000. Their monthly income is $7,000. If Ruth had to go to skilled nursing, would she qualify? So we really want to look at the assets and break them down. So that $700,000 consists of a home worth $500,000, furnishings inside the home worth $100,000. They have a nice car, Mercedes-Benz, $70,000. They have about $20,000 in savings, and they've already paid for their funeral cost, with which cost about $10,000. So mostly the rule is if you have over roughly $128,000 in non-exempt assets, you do not qualify for Medi-Cal. Things that are exempt are a home, one automobile, funeral costs or prepaid funeral contracts. So for this couple, even though their net worth is $700,000, they actually would qualify for Medi-Cal because they really only have one asset in non-exempt form, which is their savings at $20,000, and that's far below the $128,000 limit. So kind of a weird outcome, and I'm sure you'd be surprised. Okay, so let's look at our second example, and that's for Bill and Mary, and we're seeking to get Medi-Cal for Mary. Their total assets are $205,000. They have a mobile home worth $35,000. Furnishings within their mobile homes worth $1,000. They have one car, a Crown Vic, which is now worth about $4,000. And they have some savings in the bank, hard cold cash, $5,000. And she has a retirement account of $150,000. His income is about $1,300 a month. Hers is about $2,200 a month. Do they qualify for long-term Medi-Cal? Remember our number. You can have, as a married couple, $128,000 roughly in non-exempt assets. So really the test is looking at and identifying those non-exempt assets in their estate. For Bill and Mary, their exempt assets, of course, are their home and their car primarily. Their non-exempt, in their case, is the savings and Mary's retirement. So that puts them at $155,000 in non-exempt assets, so they would not qualify for Medi-Cal. I put a little asterisk in this because sometimes retirement accounts are exempt if the person is of an age that they're receiving required minimum distributions. And under today's laws, that's 72 or older. Mary is not that old yet. She needs skilled nursing at age 70. So Medi-Cal is going to count that $150,000 IRA that she has. So two very different outcomes, two very different net value of assets between two couples. So do not be fooled with Medi-Cal and qualifying for long-term care Medi-Cal. Always seek a professional to help you determine whether you can get qualified, help you get qualified, and help you apply.